Okay, quick frame of reference. That is the entrance to my apartment building. Right there. I live in these apartments. This street is Humphreys Boulevard. Now, behind me is the new Green Line. Today is Friday, tomorrow is Saturday. I was actually planning on taking my bike out and having fun on the Green Line. Woke up this morning, pulling out of my apartment complex, and I saw this. This is the Wolf River. You see, the Memphis Police Department have done a terrific job of keeping people out. They're here. And this is not still water, this is running water, so it's actually really dangerous. So yeah, you can see that's where the water is right now, and that's Humphreys Boulevard. And that's my apartment. So if you look, it's actually risen quite a bit. Yeah, you can't even see the parking lot right now. You can see the tops of the signs telling you where to park. I'm going to come over here. I don't know if you can see this, but kind of back behind the trees, you can see the very top of that yield sign for traffic. But yeah, this is really happening, guys. All of the storm drains in the parking lot of my apartment have actually backed up and have standing water coming out of them. Oh, wow. So yeah,